A sacred shrine where the earth and Hendegevans yearn together. When the human heart begins its journey toward divine love, its first destination is often the radiant sanctuary of Imam Reza, peace be upon him. This is the land where not only humans and jinn, but even angels lower their wings in reverence. And when a pilgrim first lays their eyes upon the heart of the shrine, they stop, for before them stands that sacred Zarih, radiant with heavenly light, the very Zarih that the entire creation yearns to touch. This is not merely a structure. It is the place where healing descends, where prayers are answered, and where the divine mercy flows. This sacred Zarih is the fifth to be installed over the blessed grave of Imam Ali ibn Musa al-Reza, peace be upon him. But the story begins centuries ago. According to historical evidence, the installation of a sacred Zarih on the Imam's grave began during the Safavid era. Before that, there is no record of any such structure. The first sacred Zarih, crafted in the mid-10th century, was made of wood and beautifully adorned with gold and silver. It was ordered by King Tahmasp. The verse of Surah Al-Dar was engraved around it. A golden inscription above its door states, in the time of the servant of the king of the province, Tahmasp bin Ismail Safavi, this sacred structure was placed at this sacred site. The second sacred Zarih from the Nadiri era was embellished with gold and precious emeralds. It was installed by the grandson of Nader Shah, an offering of grandeur and spiritual devotion. The third Zarih from the Qajar era was made of steel, built by order of Fath Ajan. Then came the fourth Zarih, known as Zarih Ashir o Shakar, crafted from iron and bronze, adorned with gold and silver. It was installed in 1959, wrapping the sacred grave of Imam Reza, peace be upon him, in a glow of love and reverence. The fifth and present Zarih. The fifth and present Zarih is called Zarih-e-Aftab, the Shrine of Light. Its design was created by the famed Iranian artist Ustad Mahmud Farshchian, and it was brought to life over 7 years by Ustad Kodazadeh Isfahani. This Zarih, weighing 1 ton, is built of wood and iron and embellished with gold and silver. 2 plaques bear the inscription of Surah Yasin, handwritten by Ustad Movahed. Its borders are adorned with various verses of the Quran and the beautiful names of Allah. Ustad Farshchian's design includes 5 and 8-petaled flowers symbolizing the Ahlul Bayt and the 8th Imam, peace be upon him. Sunflower patterns represent the Imam's title, Shams al-Shumas, the son of suns. It may surprise you to know, the installation of this Zarih took 2 entire months to complete and was finalized on the 6th March 2001, coinciding with the holy day of Eid al-Adha. All 4 of the previous Zarihs are now preserved in the Museum of Astan Quds Razavi. Who knows how many humans and jinn have touched them? How many angelic wings have brushed against them? You can witness these moments of sacred beauty in Noor Productions' documentary Zarih Noor, which chronicles the installation of the 4th and 5th Zarihis, along with the awe-inspiring moment of its unveiling by the Supreme Leader. The blessed grave of Imam Reza, peace be upon him, has been graced by 3 different stones, each carrying unique historical value. The oldest, dating back to the early 6th century AH, is a marble stone now kept in the Astan Quds Razavi Museum. The inscription in broken Kufi script makes it a priceless treasure of Islamic heritage. The second stone, seemingly made of white marble from Munsar, replaced the first, although little information is known about it. The third and current stone, a beautiful green gem from Seytaturanmide, was installed with the 5th Zarih. It weighs 3,600 kilograms. It rests today beneath the feet of the 8th Imam, peace be upon him, a reflection of strength, sanctity, and unmatched beauty. The story of the sacred is not merely one of craftsmanship and history. It is the story of longing, of hearts that travel across continents just to stand before it, to weep before it, to touch the bars of the Zarih and whisper, Ya Imam Reza, Ya Imam Reza.
अल्लाहु नूरुस्समावाति वल अर्द।
अल्लाह आसमानों और जमीन का नूर है।